Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I am at a farmhouse. It's called Raza Farmhouse और ये farmhouse अंगूरी में है. And Angoori is between Patriyata and Islamabad. It's like 20 or 30 minutes away from Islamabad. But this place Angoori is beautiful. So we are here at the farmhouse. हमने गाड़ी ऊपर खड़ी की है because यहाँ पे रास्ता थोड़ा सा कच्चा है, हमें चल के जाना है. The walk is beautiful and I'll be showing you around in a while. Well, one thing is for sure कि when I'll go back home, I'll be missing all of this nature, this beauty, all of this, because this time I've been exploring places, different places, and wow, हमारा मुल्क बहुत प्यारा है. It's beautiful. हालांकि मैं इस्लामाबाद से थोड़ा आगे गई हूँ, like 30 minutes, 40 minutes की ड्राइव पे, and we are exploring the places. जैसे अंगूरी आज तक मैंने नहीं सुना था, so अब मैंने अंगूरी एक्सप्लोर किया है. ओके वेट, मैं पहले इससे पहले मैं किसी पत्थर से टकरा के गिर जाऊँ. सो या अंगूरी इज़ ब्यूटिफुल and I think what I've learned from this trip is that we need to get out and explore, and it's very important. And इस trip पे मैंने बहुत explore किया है and मैंने काफ़ी सारे vlogs भी बनाए हैं, and I'm really happy that we came and we are out and about. One thing is really good about Punjab that you get to enjoy every season. और अभी बारिशों का सीज़न है. सुबह जब हम घर से निकले तो बहुत कड़कती हुई धूप थी, मगर अब जब हम यहाँ पहुँचे हैं, so it's windy, it's cloudy and it's about to rain. So yeah, we'll be enjoying rain. अगर बारिश हो गई तो क्या पता हम यहाँ फंस जाएं फार्म हाउस पे, but that again is an adventure because यहाँ का रास्ता थोड़ा सा slippery है. और let's see क्या होता है. Let me show you around. This is अंगूरी और मौसम बहुत प्यारा हो रहा है. The weather is lovely. Oh, you have to see the view. Wait. इस फार्म हाउस में there's a stream as well. ये stream का नीचे वाला हिस्सा है. I'll be going up and let me show you around. यहाँ भी है. So yep, we might get chance to play in the water stream, and I think there's a waterfall as well here. Let me have a look. And अगर बारिश ना हुई तो we'll be playing. अगर बारिश हो भी गई तो बारिश और stream इकट्ठे enjoy कर लेंगे. खैर है, क्या होगा, ज़्यादा स्लिप हो जाएंगे. But we need to experience this. सारा एडवेंचर निकल गया है. आई एम लिटरली क्लाइंबिंग अप द स्लोप. और क्योंकि हमें आदत नहीं है पहाड़ियों पे चढ़ने की, तो ये हालत हो रही है. होनी नहीं चाहिए, मगर इट्स अ गुड एडवेंचर. Yay! मैं फाइनली ऊपर आ चुकी हूँ. We are about to reach the farmhouse and this is the view from the farmhouse. And यहाँ पे जिनका farmhouse है, his name is Dr.Babar and he has 40 dogs. Yes, we need to check out the dogs as well. थोड़ी सी चढ़ाई और है, मगर look at the view यार, so beautiful. So, meet my cousin Sherry. And Sherry is the one जो मुझे यहाँ लेके आए हैं. भाई अगर आप कभी पिंडी इस्लामाबाद आए, प्लीज़ कॉन्टैक्ट शेरी, बिकॉज शेरी को बहुत मज़े की जगह पता है यहाँ पे, और मैं इतना एक्सप्लोर कर चुकी हूँ. मैंने जितना एक्सप्लोर किया है, थैंक्स टू शेरी. नो, दिस इज़ नॉट अ पेड प्रमोशन, बट प्लीज़ कॉन्टैक्ट शेरी. सो जी, फाइनली अब हम उनसे मिलेंगे जिनका ये फार्म हाउस है. Presenting Dr. Babar Zaheer.
Hi, welcome everyone. Wherever we are, what you're watching, welcome to Raza Farms. It's always a pleasure to be such nice, jovial, bubbly, vivacious people, especially the lady holding the thimble. So
अच्छा डॉक्टर साहब आप अपने बारे में थोड़ा सा बताएंगे?
basically, academically, I'm an eye specialist. I did my fellowship from Vienna and then from England. Then I came back. I worked about 25 years in one clinic. Now I left the clinic. Now I'm more into charity work.
Okay.
And I'm a vlogger also. I've got my own channel by the name of Babar Zaheer-ud-din, Baburzaheer-ud-din.
लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें.
And then charity work is there. Then philanthropy, trying to help people.
That's very nice.
And this farm is just an outlet for me. So I work 24/7 and then come and relax here for another 3-4 days whenever I have the time.
This farm is beautiful. This is like a getaway place. I think we all need a getaway place like this. This is beautiful. So now Dr. Babar is showing us around. So let's go.
We are now at the height of 3,780 feet. And this place is called Doma. It is in Angoori. The village Angoori is again at 4,200 feet. You will see the skyline that side. And from there you can go to Patrata in another 40 minutes. So this is one of the bypass road to Patrata also. When we took over this place, it was in shambles, dilapidated, nothing was here, the road was not there. Sherry is a witness, he has been coming here. We used to park the car way up there. From there, we used to carry everything on shoulders. But now, touch wood, we have the road coming in, everything is okay now. So, this is in short the geographical location. Murray is this side. Angoori is this side. Above that is your chairlift. That side is another Islamabad and Bankaro, and back side is again Islamabad. So we are perched in the middle. So we'll now take you around. So what we have here is a very little accommodation which we'll show you. You all can get up and follow me.
Dr. Babar is showing us around, and Dr. Saab, now where are we going?
We are going to the backyard. There's a main courtyard.
Okay.
These are the Moscovite ducks.
Okay.
And they are the goose and the gander.
So cute.
Moscovite duck. And we named everything here. We keep in the Australian here.
Wow.
And then Simba is there. I'll take you around.
So now we are going towards the
Cattle yard.
cattle yard. This is the cattle yard.
ये ducks हैं. And then we had the rabbits, but they died. The remnants are here.
Aww.
Salsa, खोलिए इसको.
So cute.
Sahiwal Red Bull. His name is Simba.
Simba. Hey Simba.
And this is Shahzadi, and that is Cinderella.
Shahzadi and Cinderella. Woohoo.
Nice. These are hen section. These are all male. And over there we have females, estaloops.
What are these?
These are male estaloops.
Male astrologers. Woot 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 woot.
These are
Male
all-
dominating society.
Yes. All, these are hen.
Okay.
kitchen just for the dogs.
Wow, they have a separate kitchen for the dogs.
ये इसमें के चीजें खाने वाने की.
Wow.
ये
And Dr. Saab, how many dogs do you have?
ये 11 है यहाँ और 46 dogs है पिंडी. ये पूरी उनकी डिस्पेंसरी कम है. ये उनकी पूरी डिस्पेंसरी है. फर्स्ट लाइन और सेकंड लाइन ट्रीटमेंट यही करते हैं हम लोग.
First line and second line, and all together you have 46 dogs?
नहीं अब नहीं है.
कितने हैं अब आपके पास?
1920 होंगे मेरे पास.
1920. Wow.
Every plant has got its generic name,
All right.
and we call it the botanical name.
Okay.
So now this is simple grape,
Okay.
but botanically it's called Vitis vinifera.
Whitest weed.
Vinifera.
Vinifera.
और इसकी जो variety है that is white pearl and king ruby.
Wow. So these are the grapes.
Manure of this year.
Okay.
This is the manure of last year.
All
This
right.
is all because of the remnants of the cattle.
Okay.
So we don't have to go outside to get organic manure. And now people are shifting on to organics.
So this is a small organic garden, you can say.
Organic garden, all are organics. We are not giving them anything. Except sometimes we have to give, for a booster, we have to give nitrophos.
All right. So here I had mineral water, which is pure mineral water. Nestle, Aquafina, kuch bhi nahi, pure mineral water.
I've named that water
What?
the elixir of longevity. Abe
The
Shafa.
elixir.
Abe Shifa. Elixir of longevity.
Wow.
Make you young.
So I just had elixir. That's what Dr. Saab has named his mineral water, and the water was so good. मतलब वो कहते हैं ना यार ये पानी कैसे गुड हो सकता है. वाकई पानी was so हल्का and it was so refreshing that मैं बहुत थक चुकी हूँ. I'll go back and have some more water. And डॉक्टर साहब ने अपने पानी का नाम रखा है
Elixir of longevity.
elixir of longevity, आबे शिफा. अब
No.
डॉक्टर साहब,
We are taking you to our small dining table. We are going to treat you with the local specialty, that's pakoda.
I love pakoras and tea.
Yes, that's coming up.
और अब आपको मैं उनसे मिलवाने वाली हूँ जिन्होंने हमें बहुत मज़े के पकोड़े खिलाए. ये है मिस नादरा, ये यहाँ पे इस फार्म हाउस का ख्याल रखती हैं और उन्होंने बहुत लजीज पकोड़े बनाए. आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगी?
थैंक यू.
थैंक यू आपका, आपने इतने मज़े के पकोड़े हमें खिलाए. थैंक यू सो मच.
एंजॉय किया.
और आपका क्या एक्सपीरियंस है यहाँ रहने का? हाउ यू लाइक दिस प्लेस एंड ऑल?
मैं हूँ गाँव से, बेसिकली यहाँ की.
अच्छा, आप यहीं की हैं? वाओ, वी मेट अ लोकल. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर हैविंग अस ओवर. थैंक यू.
ये देखें. This I especially brought from Swat and I planted it here. This one,
Wow.
this old terrace.
So these are the Maltas,
Red blood.
red blood
Malta.
Maltas,
In English you call it the red citrus.
red citrus.
Yeah.
Your place is
Thank you,
beautiful.
ma'am.
So I really had a good time here. बहुत मज़ा आया. हमने सारा दिन यहाँ पे स्पेंड किया. हमने ये सारी हाइकिंग की, ये जगह एक्सप्लोर की. It was really beautiful and it was a good time. It's a must visit place. So I would like to thank Dr. Saab. Dr. Saab, thank you for having us over. Thank you for having my family over. It was a good experience.
Natasha, you see, I always like good company, and especially when the people are jubilant, vivacious, bubbly, and they are those people who are progressive.
Aw, thank you.
So I think all of you have come here and I hope all these adjectives fit you in. And I would like if those people who are watching this video, come and visit this place, even if you have a small time. Come and have a date with Mother Nature.
Yes.
Because with Mother Nature, you have a direct connection with God Almighty. So this is my humble suggestion. I want to leave a message for the next generation. Think, what are you doing for this country? What type of Pakistan are you living for this country? Have you planted the trees? Have you looked after the environment? Have you helped the poor? Have you helped the needy? What have you done? Now go home and have this introspection, and then we'll find out where you stand. Thank you, Natasha.
Thank you so
for-
much.
And it was a pleasure knowing all of you, and especially you.
Thank you.
Okay.
And like you said, I really like that line, date with Mother Nature. And I'm going to name this vlog Date with Mother Nature. Thank
Okay.
you so
Bye-bye.
much. Thank
Bye-bye.
you. So that's all for today. And I know what I'm going to name my video. I'm going to name my video Date Mother Nature. ये डॉक्टर साहब ने एक लाइन तो बोल दी, but this is a very powerful, promising line that we need to date Mother Nature. I mean, हम नेचर में टाइम ही नहीं स्पेंड करते क्योंकि हम अपनी लाइफ में इतनी बिजी हो चुके हैं. मैंने अपने लास्ट व्लॉग्स में भी कहा है, बट यू नो कहना और करने में बहुत फ़र्क है. दिस टाइम आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस्ड Mother Nature so closely, and it was, you know, I've spent the whole day here and I feel so good, I feel so fresh. And एक और ये मेरे पीछे चश्मा है, यहाँ से बह रहा है. I need to show you that. Yeah, so where was I? Yes, so I was saying that I have taken vacation, I think after 5 years, and मैं इतनी burn हो चुकी थी, and after 5 years it's like, you know, I'm feeling so fresh. And I'm regretting कि मैं इतने अरसे से क्यों नहीं निकली बाहर, and why I didn't connect to Mother Nature. वो सब तो अपनी जगह ठीक है, मगर ना ये चढ़ाइयाँ हमसे नहीं चढ़ जाती भाई. उफ, I need to hike more. उफ हो गई मेरी तो. इतनी चढ़ाई के बाद now I finally took help from my cousin Sherry, और Sherry मुझे ऊपर लेके जा रहे हैं because I'm done, I'm tired, और I need to work on this, I need to work out more, I need to get healthy so that next time जब मैं आऊँ तो मुझे किसी की हेल्प लेनी ना पड़े और मेरी ऐसी हालत ना हो. So keep watching, don't forget to like, share and subscribe because I am invincible.